Hey, Cameron here from Sense IoT. In this video, we're just going to be running over how to edit our details on a sensor. So for this demonstration, we're just going to be using a temperature sensor. So if we click in here, and we can see our different tabs across here. For this video, we're just going to be looking at our Edit tab. And this is where we can change our sensor name just by clicking in, and we can name that sensor a specific name. Our heartbeat interval, our aware state details, and the synchronizing and the fail transmissions. So to start from the top, the sensor name, we can name it a specific sensor number or an area that the sensor might be. If we hover over any of these question marks, it will say what that specific tab is doing. Now the heartbeat interval is saying every 10 minutes, the sensor will send out a heartbeat to the gateway, and the gateway will read whatever that sensor is reading at that time. And then the aware state is, right now, we've got this set to if the sensor drops below 18 degrees or above 26 degrees in the space that it has been checked in, it will continue to check in every 2 minutes for a time of 10 minutes. Now, if we change this down to 1, it will be every minute it will be checking in for a space of 10 minutes. So to give you an example, if all of a sudden the sensor registered 17 degrees, it will all of a sudden be saying every minute I'm going to be checking in for a space of 10 minutes. Again, if it went above 26, so if it all of a sudden read 27 degrees, it will say, I'm going to check in every minute for 10 minutes. The aware state buffer, we can give it a bit of a buffer either side. The synchronize, we can click this to on, and that means that all the heartbeats for all the sensors will check in at the one time, or if it's off, it will just be on its own time, will check in. Now the failed transmissions before linked. So this is if the sensor fails to check in with the gateway, it will try a further 3 times until it will actually start to check in with another gateway. Now if we click save, it says your settings were saved and will be applied when the sensor next checks in. We can see here expected next check-in. And then we just say continue, and that's saved. So that's it, how to edit details for a sensor. If you guys have got any further questions, please send them through to inquiries@senseiot.com.au. Thank you.